Welcome to Francis Loves Life's guided meditation for finding happiness. Happiness isn't something to attain externally, but rather an internal state that resides within us, waiting to be uncovered and awakened. Just like a precious gem, its brilliant presence often gets obscured by dust. In the next 10 minutes, let's focus our attention on the present moment, our breath, and listen to our inner voice. Take a moment to find a comfortable seated position in a quiet space, where you can escape the chaos of the outside world. Sit on top of your sitting bones with a neutral pelvis. You can use a bolster, blocks, or a cushion if needed to ensure your hips are higher than your knees. Keep your arms relaxed by your sides. Choose a hand position that resonates with you. Or you can join me in resting your hands on your knees with palms facing up. Palms facing up is often associated with a receptive and open posture. It symbolizes a willingness to receive, be open to new experiences, and connect with the universe or higher energies. While palms facing down is considered a grounding and stabilizing posture. It is believed to help root your energy. Whatever you choose is perfect. Let the crown of your head reach towards the sky, allowing your body to melt into the earth beneath you. Close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath. Take a deep inhale through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, allowing yourself to fully relax. Let the breath be your guide, your constant companion throughout this journey. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the expansion and contraction of your rib cage, like the gentle ebb and flow of the tide. As we begin this journey to find happiness, remember that happiness is not a destination. It is a state of being that can be cultivated within yourself. It's essential to recognize that happiness comes from within, not from external circumstances. Let go of any expectations or judgments you may have about what happiness should be or what it should feel like. Now bring your attention to the present moment. Be fully present and aware of your surroundings. Feel the ground beneath you, allowing yourself to be attuned to every sensation. Can you feel the connection between your body and the ground beneath you? Let this awareness settle within you, as it offers unwavering support to your physical form. Let go of any thoughts about the past or worries about the future. The beauty of this moment lies in its simplicity. It is a space untouched by the echoes of yesterday or the uncertainties of tomorrow. This moment is all that matters. Take a deep breath and appreciate the serenity that comes with this presence. How often do you find yourself truly in the moment like this? Let it remind you that right now is where your power resides. By being fully present, you create a sanctuary of tranquility that transcends time and worry. Allow yourself to rest in this moment, for it holds the essence of your existence. Now bring to mind a time when you felt genuinely happy. It could be a moment of joy, laughter, or a sense of contentment. Allow that memory to fill your mind and body. Feel the emotions associated with that moment, and let the happiness spread throughout your entire being. As you hold on to this feeling of happiness, acknowledge that you have the power to recreate this sense of contentment in your life at any time. You don't have to wait for external circumstances to change or for something specific to happen to be happy. Happiness is within you, and you can access it whenever you choose. Now shift your focus to gratitude. Take a few moments to think about the things you are grateful for in your life. This can be big or small, simple or complex. Feel a deep sense of appreciation for everything that has brought joy and positivity into your existence. As you cultivate gratitude, notice how it magnifies the feeling of happiness within you. Gratitude and happiness are deeply interconnected, and by appreciating what you already have, you create space for even more happiness to flow into your life. Next, let go of any attachments or desires that may be hindering your happiness. Often, we hold on to specific outcomes or possessions. For instance, pursuing the perfect appearance or body, achieving career success, owning a car, a house, or a material product you've long desired, believing that they will bring us joy. However, true happiness comes from acceptance and letting go of the need for external validation. Take a moment to visualize yourself releasing these attachments and desires. Picture them floating away, leaving you feeling light and free. Embrace the present moment, knowing that you have everything you need to be happy right here, right now. Now bring your attention back to your breath. Inhale deeply, and with each exhale, release any remaining tension or resistance. Remember that happiness is not a constant state, and that's okay. Just like the waves of the ocean, it may ebb and flow. Embrace every emotion and experience that comes your way, knowing that they are all part of the beautiful journey of life. As we come to the end of this meditation, bring your hands to your heart center. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to cultivate happiness within. You are deserving of joy and contentment. When you are ready, gently open your eyes And take this feeling of happiness and peace with you throughout your day. Carry it in your heart and share it with others. Remember that happiness is not found, it's created from within. My name is Francis. Namaste. If you enjoyed this meditation with me, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Your support means a lot to me. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.